Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Zelle transfers. Zelle is a great way to send and receive money quickly and easily. But how long does it take for a Zelle transfer to reflect in your account? In this video, I'll answer that question and provide you with some other helpful information about Zelle transfers. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money from friends, family, and businesses. Zelle is available through many banks and credit unions, as well as through some mobile apps. How does Zelle work? To use Zelle, you need to link your bank account or debit card to your Zelle account. Then, you can send money to someone's email address or phone number. Once the recipient accepts the transfer, the money will be deposited into their bank account. How long does it take for a Zelle transfer to reflect? Zelle transfers typically reflect in the recipient's account within minutes. However, there are a few factors that can affect the time it takes for a transfer to reflect. The recipient's bank. Some banks may take longer to process Zelle transfers than others. The time of day. Zelle transfers are typically processed more quickly during the day than at night. The recipient's location. If the recipient is in a different time zone, it may take longer for the transfer to reflect. In most cases, a Zelle transfer will reflect in the recipient's account within 30 minutes. However, it could take up to 24 hours in some cases. What if a Zelle transfer doesn't reflect? If a Zelle transfer doesn't reflect in the recipient's account within 24 hours, you should contact the sender and ask them to check their account. If the sender's account shows that the transfer was successful, you should contact your bank or credit union for help. Here are some other tips for using Zelle. Be sure to enter the correct recipient's email address or phone number. Double-check the amount of the transfer before you send it. Be aware of the fees associated with using Zelle. Zelle is a great way to send and receive money quickly and easily. However, it is important to be aware of the factors that can affect the time it takes for a transfer to reflect. By following the tips in this video, you can avoid any problems with your Zelle transfers. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Zelle, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to send money, I encourage you to try Zelle.